Meghalaya. Kabayade bagatanat personal ANR B department
Kaseng Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization kalakam bakabah thungkam ke jela kampat rekam nomor bagadang dei tangkarai henrei kampat dei ka an u presiden ka hitu uba don bogdkhar habakran sikilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ka khatkundai trik nopra uloong bakat kum kejingtip na ka RTI kabah thungkam kampat dei ka an nomor bagadang dei tangkarai uloong balada ka ne ka rai halor kabah kam kade ka an kamut bakiwe kirai ka assembly ru kum ka ILP bat ki deban long kumjo
resolution ke number PER R new kuwait palai mukra Lomba Sarkar Meghalaya. Kabayade bagatanat personal ANR B department silong kuba ide kong dipenat kuba di department nila pa ye gani ka representation habi ade bat ka job reservation policy ba hadian bagi layo ling bagi source of information bat ki based on ka RTI report nila lab ba ka job reservation policy hapo ka jela jongi ka de tang ka kot sada lene kata ka resolution ka act lene kata ka lalong ai te de halor kata ka nongrim ba hadian bagi la pe ka to ka resolution ka number PER R new kuwait palai mukra ka ba de ka tarik khatari we khatna new kuar kabla issue do secretary special government of Meghalaya bayi kan ka reservation policy chunga jela Meghalaya hi la de introduce but ka long applicable hadu menta kunjuk bet but haju ko por ya kan la modify biang dekat kum ka government notification ar photarek banai masa wat ndai new kuar but khatra khatar khatna new kuar ar santrek khatway khatna new kunriu but khatndai new khandai nanta khatndai tarik benai khatar khatndai prapuai but life tarik benai bispo arjan rio but kabat latest ki amendment kane ka new tarik benai bokra arja khanyo kata ka de kat kum ka RTI ka bangi la yo but hagbe de bat kane niwan bat ni pensngau sya ka sarkar balada ka sarkar kamla ban Sna anya kene ka job reservation lane pengkelan ska act tengi na kaliang jong seng hi ngela da prinsai mene but I kongres penari long ba in examine bakin tha no menta kasih secretary but next year kin sa yatai but kin yakran halor ye kene te na kaliang ko jongi ka bangi sngo phala ken nadu new fu khat khandai spa new fu ar hadu menta kene ka job reservation kampat long an te kalong ka ai ka ba sngo thamula yang kini ki kon samla ki ba wat kam wat jam paling ang loong ba kani ka job reservation policy kam phat long an namar ba hakani ka RTI ding ba source of information nila yo ka kransai hangni daga ba hangni la stated ba under which rule is the government of Meghalaya implementing the present job reservation in the state number 1 ni I option A ka cabinet resolution lene ordinance lene the act jong state assembly ne la shujuba be copy of resolution office memorandum kabomut ba hadu menta ka job reservation kamlong an ai kala long illegal kan hanang ni in future ngin sia tungko ada don ba challenge hapo ko tengin na kalyang jongi ro ni ngin le hi ka ai ka badon kam but ngin move fi shakot lada ka government kam tre ban pengkala act te habi bi bat jongi ngin num yakran bahare badai bangi kwa asaban penlong an but endala long an I ka mandate jong u pai ba but kini ki legislator hi ki de ban thau an but ban thau ya kata ka bah kam bah jam jugi khana but hagani ka member ka representation bagi pha si commissioner jong secretary jong ka jela jong Meghalaya ro nyela krensai badai ban include ya ka higher and technical studies bali ni dawai kata bre hakaju hiru hakatuk RTI ba meneru kala krensai ba hooj la ban konthop hendrei kajing kren pat u konrap komkal ke sangma hapo ka budget session hatu ko por u ong bam la ban include je ka higher and technical te ka balong inter alia lene ka balong contradict ka dei sisa kum ong ba deng selabo konrap unang tang ban kren pareng hendrei tip yake an ka kanun bot dei uru u bale homework lane study yake kot slide don hapo ke department tengi na kalian ka jongi lada ka sarkar ka sngo ba kani ka resolution ka jongki kala de ka an te kamut ka ILP ru ngila yo ka ba kila de pass ka resolution Kaan ti doyong ru ke kila de pas ke resolution wat ye kaan cloud an forest but kiwe ke resolution ke bala pas tengi da ka sarkar ka khen ba ka ni ka job reservation policy ka dai kaan tengi ru ni khen ba baru ka ki bala de pas ke resolution gitur kila long an ba ni ne kalian jong ka seng ba kat kum ka prosedur hi jong ka code of law ba nimla ban file na ka seng ringin ban file personal da ka bangi undersign mangi hi tang but not on behalf of the organization but kan they na simet mga batus ketri but na kalian jungi ngin aptang kat ni to portek but ngin file be de case khanang ba kani ke pat kapateng kabanwan kan yo syai ka bahak ba jongka ba khamtami gitu khna kibala nang bal start kibala don hagan ni ka higher and technical kum giban pulia doctor engineering but kiwe tena kalian ko jungi long kai ka bangi sung phalang hadu mentang kumbangan suban biang nadu khat kendai nyu puat hadu mentang phat don kita ki nong mi khmat lani uta u bala kam bia la dia bakidei kita ki ejat benrio bakin ya keren de kene kai ka bapet de long ni kwa ban sai gen ni ki kon sabla ba ki pai ba ki kwa jing sai ba bale hadu mentang ni dang ya da resolution de ka an te landa hakani kurkom tengah kerpat ni ki pai ba u hau arajat ar pulai Watnum jet su yi gitu ki repeaters na yi ne ki jo hi ki nong mi khmat handrei jet be ki balong badang thamai fresh bed what the only ki repeater ki bla shong san name post name ki bla rem ki ba krenja ben handrei ki la de pen i la san post name ki la shed dingi san post name ki klem le ye te ngim don dik shani asu ba ki nang ne shkhmat ken kren su shu ye kane ba takadaw ka ba penlong ini bangin kren no mangi namar ba maki kim kran ye kane ka hok jong ki kon sam lagi jat benre tai please bon kila ye yo smo hi bo ula clarify ba angni ula ong I would like to clarify that the point mentioned by the leader of the opposition is obsolete. The concern that we all have, the member had asked a very clear question whether it is a fact that the state job reservation does not include reservation for higher studies, especially in technical lines such as polytechnic, MBBS and engineering studies. As I said, if you read the reservation policy, it does not include that. I am answering very clear that the two question that has been asked that does it include or does it not? And the reply is it does not include. The haka-arti ay pa, if the answer of above point number 1 is yes to any of the above option given, then in the same rule is being extended for the purpose of admission in the government educational institution including higher and professional studies as well. Yes. Long kani long hadu menta kani bitang ka direct recruitment hagar job reservation claim ka transai kumno ban penrungi kini ki higher and technical. Tengi na kalyang jongi tai hangne hapo ka representation gila highlight paro khoi ban penrung ya kani ka higher and technical education hakatu ka job reservation policy but ban pengkelaan no ya kani tan spesifik kum ka ngalong IP bamenta ka stand up to kan sing kan poi ka Christmas kan ya tengi ngan update tek haga January bari na ka liang jong ka government bingba I commissioner and secretary la transitional chai ba ila de menta kasi informat secretary jongi but kin saya ther kin saya tai but kin sa penwandor hagato ka time bomb la hapo January hi la dengim yo any respond naki hadian ka kharsan tarik ngin move back sa pokot nyem up su ya no la daki jubab hadian ro hendri ka bangi de ban le ngin ya